How do adjusters use tire marks in auto claim photos? Imagine you're looking at a photo of a car accident scene. You see tire marks on the pavement, but what do they really tell an insurance adjuster? Well, these marks are like clues in a puzzle. Adjusters use them to piece together what happened during the crash. First, they look at skid marks, which are long, straight lines left by tires when a driver brakes hard. The length of these marks can help estimate how fast the vehicle was going before the collision. Longer skid marks usually mean the car was traveling faster. Next, adjusters check if there are any tire marks that show the driver tried to stop. Short or no marks might suggest the driver didn't attempt to brake, possibly indicating distraction or impairment. Sometimes, tire marks are wavy or curvy, which can show the driver lost control or spun out. These details help reconstruct the accident sequence. Adjusters also look at where the marks cross lanes or go off the road. Crossing into other lanes might point to lane departure or a tire blowout. When documenting the scene, it's important to take clear photos from multiple angles. These photos should be taken quickly after the crash because weather or traffic can erase tire marks fast. The adjuster will analyze these images to see if they match witness statements or police reports. Tire marks can also help determine who was at fault. If the marks show one vehicle swerving or braking late, it can support claims about liability. Overall, tire marks are a key piece of physical evidence. They help adjusters understand the accident better and make fair decisions. If you're managing your claim, taking detailed photos of tire marks and the scene can really help your case. Clear images can support your story and give the adjuster the evidence they need to process your claim accurately.